Hello, so this is our system. So the first page is the login where the user needs to input their credentials. But if they do not have an account, they can create one using this link. So first, let us enter our email and then our username. And then for the password, it must be at least 10 characters. So let's say, for example, you can see it must be at least 10 characters. So it can be a little bit secured. So let us continue. Now we will enter our name, and these are all you can enter them if you want or not. Let's say the sample name is Sam Porter, and the birth date is 1000 June 30. Next. So after the user has created an account, there will be a prompt that an email has been sent to you to verify your account. So okay, now let us check our email to see the verification. Now most of the time it will not be visible in the main email page, so we will go to the spam, and as you can see here, it is now it can be marked as spam, so let us just report notification, and now we can click the link to verify our account. Now it is verified. Now we can log in. Now before we log in, just for security purposes, there will be another verification link to check every time the user logs in. So again, let's check our email. Here is the new one, as you can see. Now let us click the link in order for us to log in. Okay. Log in. Now we are logged in. Now this is the main interface. Now on the left side there is the button for Amelia and the administrator. New conversation. And this is where the list of conversations will be here. And then the logout button on the bottom left. Now on the main screen, there will be this person, Amelia. This is an AI, and there will be a summarize button, a text box where the user can enter their message, and then a send button. So for example, hi, I'm Sam. I have a problem regarding my future career. Now while Amelia is thinking, there we go, she replied, how can I know? Now this will be as a sample conversation of what will the student do when they access this. Now this triple dot shows that Amelia is still thinking, so it might take a while depending on the connection of the student. There we go, she replied. There. Now that she replied, you can say thanks. Thanks, Amelia. Okay. So now after this, we can also pick the, or we can also click the summarize button. Now clicking this will allow the conversation to be categorized into the dashboard of the guidance counselor. So let us click it. So you can see this is the summarization. The category is career. Now let us check the guidance counselor side or the admin side. For that, I will be opening up another browser or another tab. Then let us log in using the guidance counselor account or the admin. As you can see, this is the dashboard. These are the categories. We have academics, relationship problems, family problems, financial, career, and others. So most of the users we have are academics. Also, most of their concerns. We have family problems, financial, and career. Now this is the graph that shows the age. This is where the new users are, active users this week, and the total number of users that has registered. Now, we can also, if we don't want to speak to Amelia, we can also speak to the admin or the guidance themselves. So, let's choose administrator and then new conversation. And you can see here, let's try hello. Now, we need to go to the admin side to check this. You can see there is a tab called messages. You can see this is my message, hello. These are the other users. And this is my message just now, hello. So the admin will reply, hi. We can check the student side. There we go, we can see that the admin has replied. And by doing this, if the user does not want to speak to the AI or Amelia, they can speak to the guidance themselves if the guidance needs to give some advice or support tips that the AI cannot give. And we can see here that it is a working messaging feature, like the back and forth conversation. The AI help. You can see the message was received on the side of the guidance counselor. Now for the dashboard, so you can see these are the categories. Now this depends if the user chooses to summarize the conversation, because as soon as it summarizes, you can see here it says career. So it means it will be automatically put into the career, which is currently 25%. So after that, we can log out if we are done with the admin. Let's log out. For the student, we can also log out. And that is all. Thank you.